Nasilemak eat first, talk later. Nasilemak, chicken, acar-acar, tahu, hash brown, peanut, fried egg, sambal of course. Fried chicken drumstick. This fried chicken, crispy, crunchy, and little bit juicy. You can feel the taste is very fragrant. Acar-acar. Sour a bit, and then the cucumber, chewable. Really eat after the acar-acar, you can feel, oh, I'm hungry. I want to eat more. Hash brown, potato. This hash brown is soft. Maybe it's because not a deep fry. For hash brown, this one is good. Nasilemak, sambal, peanut, fried egg. Wow, this nasilemak is a little bit santan flavored, not too strong. And then the sambal is a little bit sweet, little bit spicy, all together with the peanut, fried egg. I think this combination is great. I like it. It's above my expectation. Nasilemak overall, I give 8.5. But then for the chicken only, I give 8.9. Because the chicken is very, very tasty. 13 ringgit 50 cents for this. Very friendly price, 8.5. Kopitiam, no aircon, no crowded, clean, 7.5. Say no more. Who's next? Comment, Uncle Dog.